Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is mathematical expectation. In this topic we are going to learn the first point, probability generating function, and the second point is effect of change of origin and scale on the probability generating function. Further, in this topic we are going to learn the examples on probability generating function. So let us start with the first point, probability generating function. The probability generating function is abbreviated by PGF. So let us see the definition. If a discrete random variable x assumes the values x1, x2 up to xn with probabilities say p1, p2, pn respectively, then the probability generating function PGF of a random variable x is defined as PGF is denoted as PXS, and which is given by PXS is equal to expectation of s raised to x, which is equal to summation s raised to xi into probability I. Here I is 1 to n, which is equal to s raised to 1 p1, s raised to 2 p2, likewise it is s raised to n pn. Since this function PGF PXS gives the probabilities of a random variable x, it is known as a probability generating function. If we compare, look at this expression. If we compare the coefficient of s raised to 1, it will give the probability of x equal to 1. Similarly, if we compare the coefficient of s square, which will give you the probability of x equal to 2. Similarly, if we observe the coefficient of s raised to n, then Pn is nothing but the probability of x raised to x equal to xn. Since it generates probability, it is known as a probability generating function. Now we shall move to the next topic, effect of change of origin and scale on probability generating function. In so many times we have learned what is change of origin and what is change of scale. Any constant subtracting or adding from a variable is known as change of origin, and multiplication and division of a random variable with a constant is known as change of scale. Here we have to learn in this point what is the effect of change of origin and scale on the PGF. For that, let us see, if PXS is the probability generating function of a random variable x, then the probability generating function of x minus a divided by b here is given by, suppose y is x minus a upon b, then PGF of y is given by PYS is equal to s raised to minus a upon b multiplied by PGF of x at the point s raised to 1 by b. This is the effect of change of origin and scale on PGF. So we shall see the proof. We will prove it. Let y equal to x minus a divided by divided by B. Here since we are subtracting A, means A is origin. Similarly, for the difference x minus A, we are dividing a constant B, so it is a scale in this case. We shall see what is the effect of A and B on probability generating function. Now consider the probability generating function of y. So it is PYS is equal to, by definition it is s raised to, expectation of s raised to y. Substitute the value of y, we get expectation s raised to x minus A divided by B, and that is equal to PYS is equal to expectation of s raised to x upon B minus A upon B. By separate dividing by B, we get this expression can be written as s raised to x by B multiplied by s raised to minus A by B. Since A and B are constant, s raised to A divided by B, s raised to minus A divided by E is also constant. We can take it outside the integration, outside the expected value, since by property of mathematical expectation A into x is equal to A into expectation of x. Which is equal to s raised to minus A divided by B into expected value of s raised to 1 upon B raised to x. Let me call this equation as equation number 1. By definition of PGF, we know that PXS is equal to expectation of s raised to x. This is equation 2. By comparing equation 1 and 2, we observe that here PYS is equal to s raised to minus A by B multiplied by PS at the point s raised to 1 upon B. See here in equation 2, PXS is expectation s raised to x, means here it is yes. In this case here expectation s raised to 1 upon B raised to x, means it must be the PGF of x, but at the point s raised to 1 upon B. So it is Px s raised to 1 by B. Hence PYS is equal to s raised to minus A by B into PGF of x at the point s raised to 1 upon B. This is the probability generating function of random variable y. From this expression, we observe that constant A as well as B are present in the last expression of the PGF, means it indicates that PGF is affected by change of origin as well as change of scale. Now we shall move to the next point, solve the examples of probability generating function. In this point we will learn how to solve the examples on PGF in order to elaborate the concept PGF in more detail. So let us start with the first example. A discrete random variable x takes values -1, 0, 1 with probabilities p upon 2, 1 minus p and p upon 2 respectively. Find the PGF of random variable x. So let us see the solution. By definition, PGF is equal to PXS is expectation of s raised to x, and which is equal to summation s raised to xi into probability I. Here I is from -1 to 1, since there are only three values of x, -1, 0 and 1. So the first value is -1, so it is s raised to -1 multiplied by its probability p upon 2, plus second value is 0, s raised to 0 multiplied by its probability 1 minus p. Similarly, the last value is 1, s raised to 1 with the corresponding probability p upon 2. Since s raised to 0 is 1, so it is s raised to -1 p upon 2 plus 1 minus p plus s into p divided by 2. This is the probability generating function of a given random variable. In this way we calculate the PGF of a discrete random variable. Now we shall start with the second example. Example number 2. Probability distribution of a random variable x is given below. Here the probability distribution is given in the tabular form with x has values -2, 3 and 1 with the corresponding probabilities 1 upon 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 6 respectively. Find the PGF of x. Solution. By definition of PGF, PXS is equal to expectation of s raised to x, which is equal to summation s raised to xi into pi. Here I is -2 to 3. So after substituting the values of x and probabilities, we get s raised to -2, 1 by 3. Second value is 3. So s raised to 3 into 1 upon 2. Last value is 1. So it is s raised to 1 multiplied by 1 by 6. Therefore PGF equal to s raised to -2 divided by 3 plus s raised to 3 divided by 2 plus s upon 6. By taking the LCM, we will simplify it as 2s raised to -2 plus 3 into s raised to 3 plus s divided by 6. This is the PGF of random variable x. In this way we calculate the probability generating function of a random variable x. Now we shall see one more example which depends upon the property of change of origin and scale on PGF. So let us start with the example number 3. If x is a random variable with PGF, say PXS, find the PGF of 1 x plus 3 and second is 3x plus 4. In the first case, here we are given x plus 3, means we are adding 3 in each value of a random variable x, means we are changing the origin of random variable x. Similarly, in the second case, we multiply 3 by 3 and further we add 4 in the values of random variable x, means here we are changing both origin as well as scale. So let us start with solution. We shall see the solution of first. Let y equal to x plus 3 and we have to obtain the PGF of y. So it is PYS is equal to expectation of s raised to y, and which is equal to expected value of s raised to x plus 3. This is same as expectation x raised to 3 into s raised to x. This is the simple simplification from mathematics. Anyone can understand this step. Since s cube is a constant that can be taken outside the expectation, s cube into expectation s raised to x. We know that PGF of x is expectation s raised to x that we are using here. Py yes is equal to s raised to 3 into expectation s raised to x, means with this relation this is s cube into PGF of random variable x. This is the probability generating function of y, where y is x plus 3. Now we shall start with the second transformation, y equal to 3x plus 4. Therefore, by definition, PYS is equal to expectation of s raised to y, which is equal to expectation of s raised to 3x plus 4, which is same as s raised to 3x multiplied by s raised to 4. Since s raised to 4 is a constant, we can take it outside the expectation. Therefore, PYS is equal to s raised to 4 expected value of s raised to 3x, and that is s raised to 4 into expectation s cube raised to x, which is equal to PGF of x at the point s cube. This is the probability generating function of y, where y is 3x plus 4. Observe this expression. Here 3 is, since y is 3x plus 4, here 3 is change of 3 is a scale, it comes in the final expression. Further, origin 4 is also comes in this expression. This means PGF is affected by change of origin as well as scale. In this way, in this lecture we learn the 3 points: the definition of probability generating function and effect of change of origin and scale on the PGF. Similarly, in the third point, we have learned how to solve the examples on probability generating function. In previous lectures, we have taken many more concepts from the mathematical expectation, univariate probability distribution, and many more topics are covered in the Learn Statistics platform. If student want to learn all the lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the lectures are given in the description box. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends in order to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. Further, students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel for the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next topic. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.